Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. This video is going to be just a slightly different one. I want to kind of step back and do a video that's all about observation and awareness. So technically a drive anywhere, but honing in on all the things that we subconsciously observe while we're driving. It'd be nice to get back to the basics. So if I see a pedestrian, if I see a junction, if I see parked cars, whatever I see, I'm going to holler. I'm going to shout it out. Well, not shout it out, but make a note of it. There's slight drizzle in the air, but nothing untoward. So we're going to start on the outskirts of Folkestone, go around some of the roads of Folkestone, end up at Cheriton. But I'm going to be calling out, and you'll see my little yellow boxes all over the place. There's nothing behind me. Leave the car park space. For the most part, it's probably all 30 miles an hour. I probably won't see any speed signs. Got a pedestrian on the right there. Coming up to a junction, car parked on the left. Could cause a problem. Clear to my right, join the main road. It's kind of like doing it as a driving instructor, although I'm not one. So we've got a cyclist coming down, pedestrians all along the left here. Just watch out that they don't step out onto the road. Got a giveaway and we're joining a one-way system. Several cars coming round, so I shall wait. Clear to my left, I can enter the road. I've got a cone on the left, don't know what that is indicating, whether there's an obstruction somewhere. I'm going to take the road on the right. And it's all clear, but there is a blind section, so there could be an obstruction, just being aware of that. Onto a one-way system. We'll see the wiper blades occasionally, but hey, it's raining, right? I'm going nowhere in particular, I'm just following my nose. Got a taxi with hazards, pedestrian in the road, zebra crossing but nobody waiting, men at work, so road narrows ahead. It's got a bit of roadworks going on here, pedestrians on the left. Got some more pedestrians up here. Traffic lights are out of order for the time being while they rebuild that middle section. Got red traffic lights here. Looks like they're redoing all the pavements and everything here. Got to give way. The van is letting someone cross. Nothing to my right. Oh, there's a lot of roadworks going on here. Lane restrictions and things. Bus at the bus stop. Could have someone walking in front. Car at junction, edging out. Okay, we've got someone pressing the lights switch. That could change. Hazards on the car. Mercedes edging out a junction. The car. We'll go right at the roundabout here. Lots of cars parked on the left and right. Just being aware that there could be pedestrians stepping out. Car to my right. All clear. Onto a one-way system or one-way street. Moving more to the right just in case any doors open, because it's all about awareness and observation and anticipation. That was the other word that I was thinking of. Awareness, observation and anticipation. Let's go left at the roundabouts. Or do I? No, let's go straight across. Car to my right. Driving school, actually. All clear. Lush and green, everything, eh? Got zebra crossing, nobody waiting. There's car stopped, the bus coming out. We've got more roadworks, road narrows ahead. Zebra crossing, someone coming. Got a slow-moving pedestrian on the left. Just conscious that they might change their mind at the last minute and step across. Okay, we've got roadworks, chevrons, cones, you name it, it's all here. Watching out for car doors. I can see a hazard light on a transit van. Currently doing about 28. Had a thought recently about my driving position. So I was watching one of my favourite vloggers, Thomas Heaton, photography channel I watch. And sometimes pedestrian, sometimes he'll do a POV of his hands on the steering wheel, and I think, how does he do it? Does he have a head strap and he put the GoPro here? Or does he hold it in his mouth for like a minute while he's filming stuff? I'll have to investigate, because it might be good to give you a POV just of this scene, what I'm seeing, my steering wheel, sun visor, the window, the rear view mirror. I'll give it some thought. Cars parked on the left, lights are green, lots of oncoming traffic, not many pedestrians. I see a head there. There's a woman with a trolley thing. Lights are turning red. I'm going to be first in my queue. I was coining the phrase for this video of observation and anticipation, but of course we also have hazard awareness and anticipation. So it's all four of those things that we generally do, I should have said, that we generally do when we're driving, which is constantly, or we should be, thinking about what is all around us that could potentially be a hazard that we have to stop to avoid any kind of accident. Car turning left, car coming out of junction, edging out, car coming out from car park space. No one waiting at the lights, motorcyclist. I'm reading it as I go along. Volkswagen is indicating left, pedestrian. This is fun. I feel like I want to do it for ages, but I'm just going to make it a short video. Just so that we get the gist of it. Because I don't often do this in my channel, do I? I just go for a drive from A to B. Lots of congested traffic here. I think part of it as well is just the anticipation is, what will the driver in front do? Will they suddenly turn without indicating? Or will they suddenly stop? And are you ready to react to that? Lights are green, we're going to go straight ahead, watching for anybody trying to cut across, as I did in one of my videos once. Kia didn't indicate, but it was in the left lane, but it would still have been helpful. Right, I have to move out across the line because of the parked cars. Coming out of junction, he's waiting. Traffic slowing down a bit. Rain is starting up a bit. Lots of funny noises going on. Traffic islands, car turning left, car coming out of car park space. That's why I always reverse into a car park space. Indicate left. I might get this finished in a second, just before the rain chucks it down. I'll go up beyond Tesco and stop at the Motis industrial estate, I think. Let's give way. Nothing to my right. Car turning right. I want to go straight on. Pedestrian. How many yellow boxes have you seen in this video? And digital noises. Cars turning right. Road's clear ahead. Entering a dead end zone. Car coming out of junction. I feel like I want to go to Scotland and do a drive around where I grew up. Car parked on the left. Indicate that I'm going out, just so the car behind knows what I'm doing. Yeah, just somewhere different to drive. I grew up in Livingston in my very early years. I still vividly have memories of the routes all around the new town as it was built. She'll go in here. Gosh, it's busy here. Normally there's like 5 or 6 cars and that's it. Is there a Holiday Inn somewhere? There's people with suitcases. Maybe that's what it is. They've invited the people to use this car park. There we go. I'll stop here just to end the video. So there you go. I just wanted to do something slightly different, but probably more tuned into what we should be doing when we're driving, which is, see if I can get it off the top end, observation, anticipation, awareness, and hazard perception. You get all of those things locked into place, and your drive is generally smooth, and you're just thinking about it all the time. So yeah, drop me a comment. Did you see anything that I didn't highlight? I try my best, I really do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.